Welcome to Serenityism. Join us on a journey of self-discovery as we explore the timeless teachings of Stoic philosophy. Dive into the greatest Stoic quotes and uncover the wisdom of the ancients that still resonates in our modern world. Ever wondered what is Stoicism or how to incorporate modern Stoicism into your daily life? Our channel is here to guide you through the paths of wisdom and show you how to practice Stoicism in practical, actionable ways. Delve into the depths of Stoic philosophy and uncover life lessons that promote mindfulness, resilience, and self-improvement. Let the ancient wisdom of Stoicism be your guide as you navigate the complexities of modern life. Subscribe now to receive your daily dose of Stoic wisdom and embark on the journey of practical Stoicism with us. Together, let's awaken the seeker within and embrace the Stoic way of life. Subscribe now and join us on the path to inner peace and self-discovery. Serenityism channel, your sanctuary for Stoic wisdom and tranquility.